Ah, look at this third video in a line of 3 videos. And now this one is pouring out. The little bit of lightning before and that. And come to find out the lightning is right near us. See it? That one right there. You can't see lightning on a camera. It's too bright. Oh, yeah, I turned the camera on to get lightning over there on the side and it does it in front of me. Yeah, fucking lightning. Make up my mind, will ya? That one's going to happen over here, so I'll catch one over here. Ah. See, that one was right there, too. Jesus, Gary, leave the camera in front. Did you get that one? I know I did. Yeah, the rain is subduing. But that was the thunder from the lightning over here. Come on, one more. I can go in. No? There it is. Lightning.